Earth restoration does not begin with trees. It begins with water. Every civilization that collapsed environmentally failed at water management first. When rainfall becomes erratic, soil follows. When soil fails, vegetation collapses. When vegetation collapses, civilization destabilizes. This sequence is universal. Planting trees without restoring water systems is cosmetic. Water must slow down, it must soak in, it must stay. Modern landscapes are engineered to remove water as fast as possible. Drainage channels, straight rivers, compacted soils. This accelerates drought and flooding at the same time. Restoration reverses that logic. The first intervention is contouring land to follow gravity, not fight it. Swales, terraces, and infiltration basins slow surface runoff. They convert rainfall into groundwater recharge. Once groundwater rises, ecosystems respond automatically. Vegetation follows moisture gradients. This is not theory. It is observable in every recovering watershed on Earth. Rivers must be allowed to meander again. Straightened rivers increase flow speed and erosion. Meandering rivers spread water laterally and build fertile floodplains. Floodplains are not disasters. They are nutrient engines. Urban systems must change as well. Cities must capture rain where it falls. Roofs, streets, and public spaces become reservoirs instead of drains. This reduces heat, stabilizes microclimates, and lowers infrastructure stress. Water restoration costs less than forest restoration. It delivers faster results, and it multiplies every biological investment that follows. Only after water cycles stabilize does large-scale planting succeed. This is why restoration plans that start with tree counts fail. Earth does not need more promises. It needs correct sequencing: water first, life follows.